There are a couple of different ways to increase, which means to make a stitch. The easiest is you knit the first stitch. You take your right needle and you put it in that little space in between these two stitches. You pull the yarn up onto the left needle and then you simply knit it off. I'm going to show you that again. You knit the stitch, you go into the middle of the two stitches, you pull that yarn up and onto the left needle and you just knit it off. The other way to increase is to start to knit, but you pull your right needle forward, you put it in back of the stitch that's on the left needle and you knit it off that way. You've added a stitch. Once again, you start as though you're going to knit, you twist your needle around into the back of the stitch on the left needle, knit it off. Now you've seen both ways to increase.